A beautiful piece of raw land can feel like the perfect place to build your dream home, but the purchase price is only part of the story. What really matters is what it takes to get that land ready to build. When planning a custom home, many homeowners find themselves choosing between two options: raw vacant land or a teardown property. Both can provide the opportunity to build exactly what you want in a location you love. At AV Architects and Builders, we've spent more than 20 years helping clients evaluate properties and understand what it will actually take to transform them into a successful home site. And one of the biggest misconceptions we see is focusing on lot cost without understanding site cost. Lot cost versus site cost. The first thing most people see is the purchase price. That's the lot cost. But site cost is something different. It's the cost required to prepare the property for construction. That can include tree removal, grading, utility connections, stormwater management, and well and septic systems. A piece of raw land may appear less expensive at first, but it can require significant investment before construction can even begin. The advantage of a teardown site. With a teardown property, much of the groundwork has already been done. Utilities are often in place, road access already exists, and the site has already supported a home. While demolition is required, yes, that process is typically straightforward and relatively predictable. In many cases, the unknowns are reduced significantly: grading and site preparation. Every home needs a stable building site. That means shaping the land so that water drains properly and the foundation has suitable support. On raw land, the amount of grading required can vary dramatically. With a teardown property, the primary building area has often already been established. The soil has supported a structure before, and established trees and landscape features may be preserved. Utilities can be a major expense. One of the biggest surprises for many homeowners is the cost of utilities. On a teardown lot, electricity, gas, water, and other services are often already accessible nearby. On raw land, these connections may need to be extended significant distances. The cost can add up quickly, particularly on larger or more remote properties. Well and septic considerations. For rural properties, water and sewer service may not be publicly available. That means relying on a private well and septic system. With raw land, soil testing is required to determine whether the site can support a septic system. If conditions are not ideal, additional engineering may be needed. On a teardown property, those questions have already been answered. Existing systems may be reusable, or at the very least, the site has already demonstrated that it can support them. Zoning and setbacks. Another important factor is understanding where you can build. Zoning regulations, setbacks, and environmental restrictions all influence the design potential of a property. On raw land, determining the buildable area can take additional investigation. With a teardown, the existing home often provides clues about the site's buildable envelope and what may be possible moving forward. Which option is right for you? Raw land offers a true blank slate. For some homeowners, that freedom is worth the additional work and uncertainty. A teardown, however, often provides a head start. The infrastructure is established. Many unknowns have already been resolved, and more of the budget can be directed toward the home itself rather than site preparation. Choosing between raw land and a teardown is about more than location. It's about understanding the total investment required to get from an empty site to a completed home. When you look beyond the purchase price and evaluate the full cost of preparing the property, you can make a more informed decision and invest your budget where it matters most. If you are evaluating land for a custom home and want to better understand the true costs involved, we'd be happy to help. You can reach us through our contact page in the description below. For more insight into land acquisition, site development, and custom home planning, visit our Learning Center. And if this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with more from the Residential Architects. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!